The Australian government has announced a $25,000 Homebuilder grant under the Homebuilder stimulus scheme. Check if you are eligible. In order to qualify, you must 1. Be a current or prospective owner-occupier, not an investor. 2. Be a natural person, not a company or trust. 3. Be an Australian citizen. People on a visa are not eligible. 4. Earn up to $125,000 per year if you are single, or less than $200,000 per year if you are not single. This would be based on your last tax return. In order to qualify, you need to enter into a building contract between June 4th and December 31st, 2020. The actual construction must commence within 3 months of the contract date. The grant money could be used for 1. Building a new home as a principal place of residence, as long as it is valued at up to $750,000, including land. Or 2. Substantially renovating an existing home as a principal place of residence, with renovations valued between $150,000 and $750,000, and the dwelling not valued at more than $1.5 million prior to the renovation. This scheme is expected to provide employment to Australia's construction workers. So this is good news for all, and it's great for the Australian economy too.